In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the issues that I had trying to connect the Ninja TX to the HOLLYLAND system that I have. Now, I have a Canon C80, and I want to use the Canon C80 and get audio through it from an HDMI cable. So here we go. Okay, let's talk about the connection that we need to use. So first of all, I will use the HOLLYLAND mic. I will use the receiver here, and this receiver will go into the side here, like so, like you normally would. I then need to put the audio plug inside of here, like so. That is all is needed right now. We're going to look at how the connection goes or in the actual camera, and then what it looks like on the Ninja. The connection that I'm using is I have the HDMI cable right here. And then down here for the long cord, I will put that inside of the mic port. Now what then needs to happen in the Ninja, I'm going to put the line in. So the line in goes there, and that's the short cord. And then they go into the receiver. So once they go into the receiver, now we're going to look at what has to happen on the Ninja. I then need to make sure that I have the headphones plugged in the camera. And this is the mistake that I was making before. I had it plugged in the microphone on the Ninja, but I was getting no sound in the headphones. So now I'm going to come up to the audio section, and I'm just going to make sure that I have some sound. So let's test that with the mic. Test, 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 and you can see the bars actually going up. What I've then done on the recording menu, I've got mine set to ProRes, and I've got it set to HQ. And that's all the settings that I've actually used to get audio running through the Ninja from the camera.